This is our slow roasted pork jowl. We brine it for 1 hour, give it a light dusting of salt, and then place it over more herbs and spices and put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And then we lower the temperature down to about 180 and let it slowly roast for another 3.5 to 4 hours. Once the pork jowl is done, we trim it, place it in a saute pan, skin side down. We place turnips in the pan with it. Our matsuyaki sauce is Okinawan brown sugar with a double brew soy sauce from Japan. We add in chilies, kombu, and kinome, and slowly reduce until it becomes a syrup. We turn over the pork jowl and we glaze it with the matsuyaki sauce. For the shiitakes, we slowly glaze them in Okinawan brown sugar, chilies, and double brew soy sauce, and let that lightly simmer, continually glazing and flipping about halfway through so it cooks evenly. We start with our soy glazed mushrooms, then we move on to our roasted turnips. Grilled green onion bottoms. We place around a couple dots of sudachi gel. We put a little bit of spruce tip just for some acidic pop with the sudachi gel. We place the pork jowl on top of all the vegetables and cover it with sansho powder, sesame seeds, and then spray it with a little bit of yuzu juice. Pork jowl is a lesser used cut of pork, but it's like a fattier, more flavorful version of pork belly.